My dear students, welcome to our English class. How are you? Are you healthy? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Are you ready for our class? I hope so. My dear students, there are tables of plenty in the nature. We get all things for our living. Some are very common and some are very rare. Some are cheap and some are expensive. To begin our class, let us watch a video. After watching the video, now you can guess what would be our topic today. Unit 7. Different people, different occupations. Lesson 1. Pearls, pearls, pearls. From today's lesson, let us learn some new words. Mythology, a collection of myths or cultural tradition, ancient, belonging to the very distant past. Dissolve, becoming liquid. Status, social and professional position. Unparalleled, having no equal. Association, a group of people organized for a purpose. Delicate, very fine in texture or quality. Now, let us learn some synonyms. Mythology, stories, tales, tradition, folklore. Ancient, first, early, past, primordial, primitive. Dissolve, break down, liquefy, melt. Association, alliance, union, league. Delicate, fine, elegant, graceful. From today's lesson, we will come to know the first pearl was discovered in search of food at seashore. Pearls have been mentioned in religious texts. People value pearls and have cultural and religious values. Now, let us read the text and try to understand. Pearls. Thousands of years ago, the first pearl was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Throughout history, the pearl, with its shine, has been one of the most highly valued gems. The first pearl was discovered by people. They were searching for food at seashore. Pearl has been highly valued gems. Pearls have been mentioned many times in religious texts and mythologies from the earliest times. In religious texts, pearls have been mentioned. The ancient Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried with them. It is said that the famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, would dissolve a pearl in a glass and drink it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. In Egypt, people bury with pearls. It is said that Queen Cleopatra drank a pearl as a sign of her love for nation. The Greeks thought of pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. For Greeks, pearls are signs of social status, love, and marriage. In ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. For Romans also, pearls are signs of wealth and social status. At that time, the young women of noble families loved to wear beautiful pearl necklaces. The brave knights used to wear them in the battles for good luck. People use pearls as ornaments. The knights use it as a sign of good luck. Synopsis. The first pearl was discovered by human beings at seashore. They were searching for food. Pearls have religious and cultural values. In Egypt, people bury with pearls. For Greeks and Romans, as a sign of wealth and social status. The brave knight used pearls necklaces as a sign of good luck. Now, let us do an exercise. True or false? Number 1. The first pearl was discovered when people went for hunting. Number 2. Pearls have value and have mentioned in the religious texts. Number 3. Greeks associate pearls with love and marriage. Number 4. Romans do not consider pearls with wealth and social status. Answer to the questions. Number 1. False. The first pearl was discovered at seashore when people were searching for food. Number 2. True. Number 3. True. Number 4. False. Romans consider pearls with wealth and social status. Homework. Please turn to page 80. Section C. Read the text again and write the information in the table. Thank you, my dear students. See you again in the next class.